Okay, so now we're back in here. Gonna keep working on the face here and attach it to the neck. So let's go ahead and work on that. I'll go ahead and maximize this, go into expert mode here. We see that it doesn't look great right now. That's why we just got to continually add detail and add more detail and add more detail. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some more geometry here, and then we're going to attach it to the neck. The trick with attaching it to the neck is to make sure you have the right polys. So I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I need to match that here. So I will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as you can see, I don't quite have 8 right now. So I have to get there. But I have to also model this head out. So I'm going to go into edge mode here. I've got these edges here, and I can just go ahead and Control E, and I just will move them straight back like that. I'll go Control E again, and I'll move them straight back like that. You can see these are overlapping. We'll fix that in just a second. Not a big problem. And now we know we have to start going backwards towards the end of the head. Control E again. Try to think of this as kind of fun, and you'll get the hang of it, I think, if you just think about it as kind of being a fun thing. I need to fix these before we move all these parts back in, so I don't have all that overlap going on. I'm going to do that real quick. Go into vertice mode, select these, and move them out like that. Okay, perfect. Just like that. Okay, and then I know I need to move these out back that way. Keeping things as uniform as possible. Okay. And then I can grab these edges over here. And I can move them back in like that. And we can start closing the back of the head together like this. Okay. Again, it's like playing, I don't know if you guys ever played with modeling clay, but it's a similar process. It just takes time. It's not that hard. It just takes time. And if you make sure to always keep quads together, that's the biggest problem. Just keep moving around, moving points to where you want them, and then make sure that you always are using quads and you won't run into any problems that we can't solve. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and grab these vertices again, grab these edges again, and I'm going to extrude them one more time. Control E, move over here like that. Okay, so I've got to fix this stuff right here. I'll go to vertice mode real quick and fix all this monkey business right here. Just like that. Okay. Not super important that these connect right now, because you know what I like to do. I'll go to vertice mode. I'll grab all these, and I will just scale them in like that. Okay. Doesn't matter that it's not connected right now. So what we have to do now is try to match up this neck with this head here. Okay. So once again, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I can connect it with 8 points. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I'll need an 8th point, probably right here. Okay, so we're real close. And in the next video, we will attach the head to the neck. I'll show you how.